Hello, in front of me I have Samsung S25, and in this video I'm going to show you how to open up the SIM slot. Alright, so to open the SIM slot you need to have the dedicated small key that should be attached into your box with the phone as you are buying it. It should look in that way. It's not the original, but the replacement will always work. So simply lift up your phone, and in here we have our SIM slot. To open it up, you can see this small hole on the left side. Simply insert the key and push it until it comes out. Now you can grab this using your finger, and now we can insert our SIM card. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.